Hello guys, welcome to Learn to Do It. And this time we're going to learn how to format text, bold, italics, and strike through in WhatsApp and YouTube. We are actually remaking this tutorial. Today is August 4th, 2022. We are including Telegram and language translation as well. The reason that we are redoing this tutorial is because I missed one part in when doing the formatting for YouTube. We did this tutorial 6 years ago. Actually, this was our very own very first tutorial actually, and we missed some part, but also a lot has changed, and the way we formatted things before has changed. Although we're going to learn why doing it the old-fashioned way is still efficient, very functional. And again, we also had Telegram, which wasn't a player back then. So having said that, let's go to WhatsApp, find a friend, find a group, and let's jump on it. I got WhatsApp open here. Okay, I created a group just for these tutorials, and let's do it the old-fashioned way, the way we used to do it. Bold, you do an asterisk, and then put your text and the word, and close the asterisk. Again, no space in between the text and the asterisk, which is functions as a code. Let's do it for italics, underscore italics, and then you close it, italics. Okay. And let's do strike through, which we use the tilde or squiggly line. Let's put some text, and then we close it. And again, this always leave a space. Get rid of the space so it can work. There you go. No spaces in between. You have bold, italics, structure, and this is the way we did formatting for WhatsApp some 6 years ago. Now let's do it all together. Let's do it all together. And since everything comes in pair, let's make it even easier than we did last time. Let's put everything together. The two asterisks, for asterisk, we're gonna do a group formatting. This is what we're gonna do. And not only that, we're gonna do all at the same time. Let's put the two underscore in the middle, and right in the middle between those two, let's put the two tildes, and then we put our text. All together text. And there you have it. Strike through. There is one which didn't work. Let's see which one it is. I think there is a space here. Okay, there you go. All together. And there's a misspelling here. Let's fix it. No problem with that. Okay, and that's how we do it all together. Right here, let's stay in WhatsApp. Let's try to do this. The way things work today. Well, let's do the bold. Okay, bold text. So right now, this probably you know today, since a lot of people are very familiar with WhatsApp these days. Most of you will have it. You select the text, you hold and select your text. So WhatsApp will select it. If it doesn't select the whole thing, you can move the buttons here. And then when this thing comes up, you click on the dotted button and press bold for bold. There you go. If you want to do italics, and I put everything italics, then you have to do again same thing, italics. This is simple, and you know that, and strike through. This is the new way we're doing it today. Okay, you select it, and you select strike through. And there's also a new font, mono font. That WhatsApp give you the choice. It's a different font. You'll see it. Once you select it, let's do the mono. And it looks a little different. It's a little lighter font. Okay, now if you want to do the whole thing like we did with the code at the same time, it's not possible. That's why doing it the old-fashioned way is still very efficient. But let's do it. Let's try it so you can see. So let's try to do all the formatting at the same time. No, you don't have a way. The only thing is bold, right? And you have to select the whole thing again. Italics. Then you have the whole thing again. Strike through. Interesting enough, if you pay attention, even though using the new method, WhatsApp puts the code there, you can actually see the two asterisks, the two tildes, and the two underscores there. So even though you have a menu now to do it sort of like more automatic here, a little bit more, you still manual because you have to select it. But WhatsApp still doing it the way it functions, still doing it the old-fashioned way. And again, you see, you have to do each one at a time. So while if we do it the old-fashioned way, again, let's do it like this, and let's do the squiggly lines. Okay, so all together. And then let's close the squiggly or the tilde. There you go, strike through. So they have to go in pairs. You see, this time around I didn't put the bold at the beginning. So I started with the underscore, then I have to finish with the underscore. And you have it. So let's move to Telegram. Let's move to Telegram. I had Telegram open here. And Telegram is a new player, and it's really nice actually. Let's do the text. There you go. Oh, since Telegram pretty much works differently. No, as far as I know, Telegram does not accept any code. You do it, nothing happens. You see, that doesn't work. So we have to do it through the menu provided by them. So let's format this text. So let's select it again, move it. Okay, you have bold, and again, if you wanna, it's the same thing as WhatsApp, italics, and then you have to go one at a time. So Telegram and strike through, and Telegram has also underline, which WhatsApp still doesn't have to this date. Okay. And if you want to get rid of, there you go, you have everything. And if you want to get rid of the formatting, you go regular. And again, and you also have the mono. And the mono doesn't actually take any of the other formats. You could try, I tried, it didn't work. Okay, this is how Telegram works. And again, Telegram doesn't have a way to do it all at the same time like WhatsApp does, using the old-fashioned way with the code. Okay, let's do YouTube, which is the part that I missed last time. Let's do YouTube. I got YouTube already open here. I have some text here. Let me get rid of it. Let's go. Okay, so let's type some text. So let's do the bold text in in YouTube. It's the same thing as WhatsApp. Okay, bold. Let's do. I'm not gonna send it. We're gonna do it all at once. And again, YouTube doesn't have preview like WhatsApp does, that you swear on the spot. You have to submit it, send it, and then it's gonna show up. Let's do the italics. And let's do, remember, no spacing in between. Okay, and let's do, and this is what I did wrong before, and let's do it like that, strike through, because for YouTube it's a different code. let's do it. Let's put it again, but let's call it ROM. Try to run because this doesn't work. And again, make sure no space. Every time you put the tilde, it adds an extra space. Get rid of it. This is not gonna work, and we'll see it. So now let's do strike to the right way in YouTube, which is a regular dash. And there you go. Let's send it. And there you have it. See, as you could see, the bold text is bold, the italics is italics, the strike through Rome is not working. Actually, it has a space. I thought I got rid of the space. Let's get rid of the space, and you'll see that it still doesn't work. You see, it doesn't work because I use the tildes for those, and here for when you use the regular dashes, strike through is there. That's how you format in YouTube. Now let's do the translation, which is totally new. Okay, yeah, some of you may or may not know this. A lot of people know, but there's still a lot of people that don't know this. So let's translate this. Hello, let's put some text. Hello, friends. It's been a while since last time we spoke, but I am glad we can do it again. I'm putting just some random text. Hello friends, it's been a while since last time we spoke, but I am glad we can do it again. So to translate, you just select your text, again go to the button, the dotted button, move down, and again you could share and search with DuckDuck, which is I have installed here as a privacy browser, but we're not doing any search. Okay, that will search the internet if you put a keyword or something. Let's do translate. When you do the translate button, automatically open the Google Translate, and I suppose you have to have Google Translate installed if you're using Android. If you're using Mac, I'm not covering much Mac, but the same principles apply. You will have the Google Translate installed in your iPhone or your iPad, your Apple devices. So here it's already been translated from, this is the last time I did a translation. It did it to Arabic. So hello friends, it's been a while since last time we spoke, but I'm glad we can do it. So let's change it because I don't really understand how it translates. Let's do it to English. Let's get rid of that. Oh, okay, let's do English. There you go. Oh, it's the same thing. My bad. So let's do Spanish, which I at least I know. I think it's gonna say Spanish or Español. Spanish. Here it is. And here's translated. Hola amigos, ha pasado un tiempo desde la última vez que hablamos, pero me alegro de que podamos hacerlo de nuevo. So there you go. This is how you translate your text, and again, you can always change it. You want to change it to another. Let's do, I don't know, Bengali. And importantly is once you translate it, because this is just a translate, you need to copy the text. So you press the copy button. So it's copied to the clipboard, and now if you want to send it, and like my mom, she speaks a little bit of Greek, and she speaks a little bit of Greek, and she does this. She copies the text and translate it and send it to when she needs to expand her language, right? So Now you paste it. You press the paste button here that shows up because you already copied it to the clipboard, and then you could send it, right? Or you could do right, click on and press in case the button doesn't show up, and hit paste, and there it is. And that's how you do the translation. Um, Not sure. Let's see if I ever done it in in Telegram, but let me try to see if it's available. If it's available, Telegram doesn't give me that option. But if you need to use Telegram, you can go on and translate it in Telegram. So let's try to do YouTube. Probably you could do it in YouTube. Okay. Let's. I'm going to edit this, or just put it. Hola. Hi. How are you? I'm not sure. I'm just doing it on the spot. And for some reason, it's giving me YouTube is giving me this that the text kind of disappears. Probably it's a bug that they're probably working on it, but it says translate. It's right there. So it's the same tool. You can change the language to Espanol, and you can copy it. And once you do that, you click off that little screen and you back to it and you can paste it. And that's how you actually do the translation. And you could also go to Google and type translate, and Google is going to open the translator, and then you put your text, right? Make sure to translate well that you can't have misspellings, okay? And it says English detected to which language? Africans. It's already translated, as you can see. Let's do a different language. Let's do Hebrew, which is more obvious. And there you have it. That's how you do the translation. And then you have uh, to you select it, press and hold, expand the text, the selection, and copy it. And then use it, paste it, whatever you want to paste it. And that's how you do it. We got Hindi there, and we have Hebrew. Well, I hope you enjoy this video, everyone. We covered some new ground here, and why doing it the old-fashioned way when formatting the text is still very functional. And again, this is WhatsApp, this is YouTube, Telegram, which is three of the most important social media platforms. To this day, Facebook will not allow you to do this kind of formatting. I've seen people doing things, putting like color text, doing some hacks. I tried to do that. It was kind of too complicated, so I leave it alone. So having said that, take care, guys. Enjoy, share, and reshare.